Hello, this is Pytronics. We will provide an online tutorial to let you practice on MicroPython programming, using the Raspberry Pi Pico. The Pico has got a 26 multifunction GPIO, which can be either input or output, depending on the project we build. Today we will program a flowing light action. We will use a similar circuit to traffic light project. You will find the traffic light tutorial link at the description below. Let's start. First, we start a new project by clicking Create New Icon. As usual, we will import the pin and utime from the machine library. This time, we will use a new way to define LEDs object using the range function. Instead of defining a pin number as we did at previous projects, this time we will define an I value. This I value will be changed at each step of the range function. Its values are from 0 to 3 without including the last number of the defined range. The pin number of the LEDs will be 0, 1 and 2, and the GPIO status is output for all pins. Inside a while true loop, we will define another range function has same range of the previous I function. This time, we will define an N value start from 0 to 3. In each step, we will put the value of the LED to be 1. That means the LED will be powered with voltage. And we'll wait for 1 second between each step. Next, we will repeat same range function but this time the LED value will be 0. That means the LEDs will be switched off, and another delay of 1 second is added after each step. Save the project under any name you like. And then press Run icon. A flowing light action is created as shown in the next video. Hope you get enjoyed. Thanks for watching.